Alright, here we have some, like a variety of air conditioners at a credit union, specifically connects us in Wausau, Wisconsin. Here we have a Bryant, has a unknown compressor. Wait, that's I think that's an Emerson scroll. Wow, don't normally see disconnect boxes right on the units. Oh wow, this is brand new, 2024. And here we have this Ameristar. Don't normally see Ameristars running, or even Ameristars. Unit supply. Can't exactly tell on that. Then here we have this old Lennox that's running. Ooh, it's the Dave Lennox Signature Collection series. It's from 2002. It's also the quietest Lennox, also the quietest old air conditioner I've ever seen. Yeah, all of them have disconnect boxes straight on the units. Oh, I didn't realize the security camera right there. Hello, security camera. Wow. Wait a second, is the compressor even running? Aha. Doesn't even sound like the compressor's running on this one. It might be just it's so quiet. And if the compressor even is running, it might just be even quieter than this new looking Ameristar here. Yeah, they Lennox signature collection air conditioners, apparently also known as the HS21s. That'll be it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe for more.